Did you know that your IP address can be exposed when making WhatsApp calls? This could allow others to track your location or monitor your online activity. Fortunately, WhatsApp offers a way to hide your IP address for added privacy. Start by opening the WhatsApp app on your smartphone and ensure you're logged in. Once inside, look for the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the screen and tap on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings to access your account preferences. Next, navigate to the Privacy section, where you'll find various options related to your account's security and visibility. Scroll down until you reach the Advanced section. Here, you'll find the Protect IP Address in Calls option. Simply enable this setting, and WhatsApp will route your calls through its servers, preventing others from directly accessing your IP address. If this guide was helpful, give this video a like, subscribe for more useful tech tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.